Objective and purpose of pipe cleaning through chemical passivation. The objective of cleaning, flushing and passivation in a piping network is to remove debris and other contaminants that are present in a new pipework system. The purpose of generating this method is to provide or ensure the system and its accessories are cleaned and flushed properly and it's not harmful to the system equipment online, and provides optimum performance without causing scaling or oxidation of metal components. What is passivation chemical? Passivation is widely used metal finishing process to prevent corrosion. The passivation process uses nitric acid or citric acid to remove free iron from the surface. The chemical treatment leads to protective oxide layer that is less likely to chemically react with air and cause corrosion. First, to make inactive or less reactive, passivate the surface of steel by chemical treatment. Second, to protect such a solid-state device against contamination by coating or surface treatment. forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Once again, gracias, adios.